What's up, guys? It's your boy Desmond with the Lens. Today I have the DJI Mini 2. I am so excited to open this and just get to flying. Now, hopefully before you see this part, you already have some B-roll of me flying it. Otherwise, I'm going to get it started now while I get rid of all this wrapping paper. I've been having my eyes on this for a minute and I finally got it. Now let's go ahead and unbox this boy. Huh? It comes in a stylish case. And I want you guys to understand that I'm opening this on camera, so I have no idea what any of this looks like on the inside. But it's fancy from the outside. I don't know if I'm going to actually keep the case. In all honesty, it may end up just going inside of my camera bag in one of the spots, but let's see. Ooh. Still got all the nice little stickers on it. Look at it. This thing is tiny. It's comparing it to the new iPhone 13. It's literally the same size, meaning it can fit inside of my pocket. I got the Fly More combo, so I have a lot of accessories to go through. This is the charger. It comes with more than one battery. Actually, one of the batteries is already put inside of it. The controller. And then some more information from DJI. I mean, honestly, the size of the bag makes sense. I might be able to just put the bag in one of the nooks inside of my camera bags. You know what? Let's go look at that. This is my normal camera bag. I am forgetting the name right now, so it'll be on screen somewhere. But this is what I take whenever I go on any of my professional shoots. As you see, I always have like an empty space down here, and I kind of just fill this with random things like my monitor and stuff like that. But oh, it fits too. It's like a glove. I guess I'll keep the case. But all right, back to the unboxing. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and open this right on up. So the one thing that I like about this already, because I've had another drone. That drone, rest in peace, ended up crashing into a tree before I was able to really talk to you guys about it. So that's why there's no video about that. But this one, the controllers are right there at the bottom. And that's where they end up going when you're done with it. It's cool. It's the extender for your phone, and it can actually go out pretty far too. And then, if I'm not mistaken, you have these come out. And you're not gonna gaslight me into thinking that they don't, because they do. I know they do. You know what? I'm going to actually. I might be wrong. Those don't come out. This is what I was looking for actually. The connector, so we can connect to either your Android or your iPhone, depending on your flavor of choice. You know, Team iPhone over here. But yeah, like for instance, just grab. Let's see, where would be the best place for this? Guess the best one would be there. Plug that up. Extend that out. Good thing for the extension. Oh, the rubber parts are to hold your phone in. That's what it is. Always thinking of everything. Yeah, actually, I'm quite happy about it. So you press it once, kind of get to know where the battery is. You press it and hold it in order to actually turn it on. You know, I'm gonna go more in depth about everything and have like actual better quality video of it soon. But this is just the unboxing of it. But yeah. And like I said, the drone itself is just tiny. Like, gotta give it a moment for it to actually focus in on me. One thing that I love about this one, it came with a little strap to hold down the propellers and all this stuff, so that while it's in travel, nothing's happening. Like, and I know that I've been bringing up the fact that I had another drone before this one. But hold on, I have it. Hold on. Now this was my DJI Mavic Pro. This is the first one, and as you can see, it's still in one solid piece. However, I have no camera. The camera was snapped clean off when it hit a tree. The propellers broke, there was no body damage, it still works, it's still good, but I can't fly it anywhere without a camera. And until I take the time to actually get it fixed, it's just sitting on the shelf as a reminder to watch out for trees.